Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain the newly released GATE brochure. This year, GATE examination, that is, next year in the 2021, GATE examination will be conducted by Organizing Institute for GATE examination is IIT Bombay. So once visiting the website, you can see here there will be Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering 2021. Click on this link. You will be taken into a new page where you will be finding home, that is what you are seeing, home, where they explain the introduction to GATE, that is GATE, and about GATE. Okay, you can read this. If you are a new person who is going to appear into GATE, you can read this. Here they have mentioned what are the institutes that will be conducting this GATE examination. Okay, so after here, coming here, you can see GATE 2021 highlights. What are the highlights of GATE 2021? What they said is, date of examinations they have mentioned, computer based test it is going to be, and there are two new subject papers that are added. We will be going through all this when we open our information brochure. Okay, here you will have important dates, GATE 2021 papers. That means what are the papers that will be present in GATE 2021. These are all presenting information brochure. So once click on the information brochure, you will be guided into information brochure section where you can find two links. Click here to download GATE 2021 information brochure updated on 24th August, that is recently updated. Okay, click here to view changes or modifications. So here you won't find anything much more. It will be showing the first page, changes that are being made, that have been made in 2021, that is upcoming exam compared to the previous exam. Okay, you can see the same page in information browser also. So we will be downloading information browser. Coming to the information browser, once you have downloaded it, let me just zoom in that you can see it clearly. So GATE 2021 Organizing Institute will be your IIT Bombay. Okay, information browser for GATE 2021. What do you mean by GATE? Means full form of GATE is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. Almost all the candidates will be knowing that. And this year Organizing Institute will be, there are 7 organizing institutes. Every year each organizing institute will be conducting the examination. Okay, this year it is the turn of Indian Institute of Technology Bombay. Okay, so going further, you have seen the same page here, right? Revision of history, you will find same. Okay, revision of changes made in the notifications. Okay, recently changes have been made on 24th August. They have updated this. Okay, in all these sections there have been changes made. Okay, this is the version 1.1 with 1.0 which is released previously, and on August 24th you got version 2.0. Okay, so going further, abbreviations, you can go through these abbreviations. That is, if you are doing degree, BA stands for Bachelor of Arts, BE Bachelor of Engineering, so on. You might be knowing your respective abbreviations. Okay, going further, what are highlights of GATE 2021? This is very important, guys. Here there are many changes that have been made. Firstly, examination dates. Examination dates: 5th Friday and 6th, 7th, 12th, 13th, and 14th of February. Your examination will be conducted on these particular days: 5th, 6th, 7th, 12th, 13th, and 14th of February. There are two sessions. That is, one will be your forenoon session in the morning, and the other one will be afternoon session. Okay, every day you will have two sessions. GATE exam is a computer-based test. All the guys who are applying for GATE will know that, right? You have already known. In this year, that is, in the upcoming examination, they have introduced two new papers: environmental science and engineering. Okay, and the other paper is humanities and social sciences in economics, English, linguistics, philosophy, physics, psychology, and sociology. So candidates who have studied or completed their degrees in these subjects can also appear GATE. Okay, syllabi of all subject papers have been revised. See, you can read that syllabus of all the papers have been changed. Okay, out of 27 papers, 25 papers syllabus have been changed because two subjects are recently added. Okay, all the test papers of GATE 2021 examination will be entirely objective type. That means what they are saying is all the 21 papers will have objective type of questions. Okay, multiple choice questions, and then MSQs, multiple select questions. I will explain what is multiple select question. This is newly introduced in GATE. Okay, multiple select question. questions are the type of questions newly introduced. Okay. Previously in the GATE 2020 examination, which is conducted by IIT Delhi, you will find MCQ and MAT, numerical answer type questions. Recently they added MSQ, multiple select questions. They have given examples also, we will be going through that. Okay, 1 or 2 subject papers are allowed. That means previously what they have did is, if you are an ECE student, you can write only one paper. We can opt any paper, but we can write only one paper. This time you can write 2 papers. That means if you are an ECE guy, you want to appear for ECE paper, that is coded as EC, Electronics and Communications in GATE, and along with that you can take another paper, that is Instrumentation or Physics. Okay, we will show the combination of the subjects. Eligibility criteria is relaxed, that is a candidate who is currently studying 3rd year. Recently in the last year what happened is, only final year students and all those who completed their graduation are allowed to take GATE exam. This year they have changed that. Yeah, they have allowed 3rd year students also to write the examination. That is, currently students who are studying in engineering 3rd year can also appear to GATE examination. Okay, there is no age limit. There are some thoughts, like some guys might be thinking like there might be age limit, so they are not appearing in the GATE examination. So you can see here there is no upper age limit for GATE examination. GATE examination has no age limits. Only thing is you need to qualify, that is you need to be in 3rd year of engineering or any other degree, or you need to be completing your engineering or degrees. Okay. Application will be accepted only through GATE 2021 website link works. Okay, GATE online application process. Okay, GATE 2021 scorecard will remain valid for 3 years. That means if you have qualified in 2021, your scorecard will be valid for 22, 23 and 24. Okay, from the date of announcement of results. Depending on COVID-19 situation, the schedule of GATE examination may be changed. Okay, these dates can be changed. They have mentioned some dates, right? These dates can be changed depending upon the situation. Okay, next what you can see is, due to COVID-19 related international travel restrictions, examination at the international centers may be dropped if situation is conducive by end of November. I hope you guys know that GATE examination will be conducted in international level also. Along with India, there are some other countries where GATE examination is being conducted, so they can cancel this. They might. Details available at the official website. You can go through this website to view the details. Okay, organizing institute, we have already gone through this. Coming to the particulars, examination mode, computer based, duration of the examination 3 hours, and then papers 27 sections. General aptitude. General aptitude is common for everything, every paper, all the 27 papers. General aptitude is common, and then you will be writing your desired paper here. You can select any paper. Type of questions. Okay, questions will be MCQs, multiple choice questions, and the other one is multiple select questions and numerical answer type questions. And coming to the questioning types, they will ask recall type of questions, comprehension, application, and analysis and synthesis. Please remember this, we will be giving a detailed explanation. Number of questions, there will be 10 questions from general aptitude, 55 subject questions, altogether becomes 65 questions. Okay, marks, for the general aptitude 10 questions will contain 15 marks, and engineering mathematics will contain 13 marks. This will change for some papers, like engineering mathematics can become 15 marks for engineering science related papers. Okay, for example, you take mechanical ECE EEE, it will contain 50 marks. That means these 2 sections will together make 30 marks, and your subject, if you are ECE guy, ECE subject will contain 70 marks instead of 72. Okay, next, for other papers like AR, these are the paper codes. We will be seeing what are those papers. Okay, here you can see paper codes. These are different paper codes, and those guys who are appearing for the subject, they will know the paper codes. Okay, this is EC, Electronics and Communication, EE, EEE, Electronics and Electrical Engineering, and then CE, Mechanical. You can see these paper codes. Okay, this is what I have explained. 15 marks, 85 marks. Okay, out of these 85 marks, 15 marks will be mathematics and 70 marks will be your engineering subject. Okay, going further, we'll be focusing in this video on changes that are being made. Okay, graduate aptitude test in engineering is a national exam conducted by these institutes: ISC Bangalore, and then 7 other institutes: Bombay, Delhi, Guwahati, Kanpur, Kharagpur, and then Madras and Roorkee. Okay, This time it is turn of IIT Bombay to conduct the examination. Okay, qualifying in GATE is a mandatory requirement for seeking admission. Okay, qualifying in GATE is a mandatory, you can say this word, okay, mandatory requirement for seeking admission or financial assistance. That means your stipend and etc. for master's program or doctoral program. For making master's program, MTech mainly, okay, engineering and technology, architecture, doctoral programs, that means PhD exams. Okay, you will get stipend, financial assistance, okay, and admission. Qualifying gate is mandatory for admission too. Further, many public sector undertakings recently, many PSUs are also considering gate examination as their qualification exam. The information is categorized into, okay, we will see this pre-examination, that means eligibility criteria, and then examination and post-examination. Candidates opting to appear in two subjects, that is what they have changed recently. Okay, if you want to appear in two subjects, must have primary choice of paper. That means if you are a triple E guy, your primary choice will be EE, that is the paper your primary choice, and the other paper you can select depending upon the combination. If you are an EC guy, your primary paper will be EC and the other paper will be taken. That is what you can read here. You can pause the video and read. GATE is not an admission ensuring examination. That means if you clear GATE, it is not sure that you are going to get an admission. Qualifying GATE examination does not guarantee admission. That is what they have said. Just go through this. GATE qualification does not ensure public sector job. You won't get any PSU job. But this is an examination for qualifying. Okay. About GATE, you can go through this. We have already discussed these dates and subjects. Okay. And coming here, these are the 8 institutes that are responsible for GATE examination. Okay. Scholarship and assistant programs, right? To have financial assistance, the candidate must first secure the admission to the program in a central government supported institutes. What are the central government supported institutes? Information IITs, Indian Information Technology, and NITs, National Institute of Technologies. If you secured admission in these institutes, after meeting the criteria, you can get the financial assistance, okay? Because they are centrally supported, okay? So for some other institutes, like a minimum of 70% weightage will be given to the performance in GATE and remaining will be given to the candidate's performance. If some IITs will conduct interview after qualifying the GATE, so if they conducted an interview, your interview will take 30% weightage and your GATE marks will have 70% weightage, okay? Candidates are advised to see complete details of the admission procedures of the availability of Ministry of Education, okay? If you want to take the complete details, you need to go to this website, Ministry of Education, okay? Admitting institute may also specify number of candidates who will be provided financial assistance. That means it depends upon the educational institute. That means if you are going to particular IIT, they will say we will be giving financial assistance only to 10 members. That means they will give only to 10 members. Other members will need to take the admission without any scholarship benefits, okay? Also, for admissions to IIT, MTech or PhD or any other program will be advertised separately by the respective institutes. GATE committee is not responsible, okay? GATE committee is not responsible. Not entertain any query about admission. You might say that I have qualified GATE but I am not admitted. So for that, these 7 institutes which are mentioned here, 8 institutes, are not responsible for that, okay? And then final one, GATE committee is not liable for any legal obligations related to admission, okay? Use of GATE scorecard. You can use GATE scorecard for these in the past several public sector undertakings. Many PSUs have used GATE scores to shortlist the candidates for employment. A few such are BHEL, GAIL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Indian Oil Corporation, National Thermal Power Plant. These institutes, you can read other institutes, are taking GATE examination, okay, to shortlist candidates for the interviews, okay? Direct recruitment to Group A level post in central government. That is, for these posts like Senior Tech Field Officer, Telecommunication, Senior Research Officer, for these posts, there will be a direct recruitment, okay? Government of India is now being carried out on the basis of GATE score. If you clear GATE, you can be directly recruited. The details of scheme recruitment are normally published in national newspapers. You can go through these newspapers, okay? National newspapers, Employment News or Rozgar Samachar for the details. Some other government of India organizations have also expressed their interest to utilize. There are many other PSUs which wanted to utilize GATE score, okay? Does not assure a PSU job, okay? Qualifying a GATE exam does not assure a PSU job. You can go through this. Just pause the video if you want to read this, because I am targeting what are the changes made for GATE examination, appearing examination, what you want to know. If you want me to make a brief description of the brochure, I will make it. Please let me know in the comment section. Okay. So about the GATE, you know this IIT Bombay is conducting the examination. It will be in 2021, 27 subjects. We have read that, computer based, and there are multiple choice questions will be there, multiple select questions will also be there, and then numerical answer type questions. We have gone through this already. So coming to here, these are the important dates. Okay, GATE online application processing system website opens. Remember, some guys have already said to me that application process has begun. No, not yet begun. They need to know that application process will begin on September 14th. Okay, and application process will close on September 30th. If any applicant, if any aspirant missed this date, they can apply with late fee. With late fee till October 8th. Okay. After applying, you want to change last date for change of category or paper or examination. If you, example, you have applied for mechanical paper and you want to write for triple E paper, then you can change it, because in GATE there is no consideration like you can appear in any paper. You can be a graduate or engineer of electrical. You have been an electrical engineer, but you want to write a mechanical paper, you can write. Okay, GATE will help you. GATE will provide you that chance. For changing that, you will have 13th November as your last date. Admit cards will be available on 8th January, and there comes your date of examination. Results are mostly announced on March 22nd. Okay. Due to health and safety issues, due to the current COVID pandemic situation, dates mentioned here are subject to change. They may change the dates. Okay. In rare case, it may necessary to be postponed GATE 2021 because situation beyond the control of GATE committee. Okay. If you want to read these details, you can pause it, or I will be providing the link for the brochure in the description. So you can click on the link and you can download the brochure. Okay. Or if you want me to make a detailed analysis, it might take more time. But if you want me to make it, I will make it. Okay. So some of the instructions, you can read these instructions on your printed admit card, like physical calculators are not allowed, mobile phones are not allowed. These are not much importance as of now. Okay, two new papers. What are the two new papers? Environmental science and engineering, and then humanities and social sciences are being added to. These guys can appear. Pre-examination related information, that is before appearing for the examination, this is the information you need to know. Before starting the application process, candidate must ensure meets the eligibility criteria of 2021. Candidate who is currently studying in third year or higher years of any graduate degree program, or has already completed any government approved degree program in engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, arts is eligible for appearing in GATE 2021 examination. Okay. GATE is not an admission ensuring application, that we have already discussed. Okay. Merely clearing the GATE examination will not ensure you an admission. Some of the professional society institutions, apart from engineering institutes or graduate institutes, there are some institutes which will conduct an exam, right? So these are the Indian Institute of Engineers, i.e. you just go through the institutes: Institution for Civil Engineers, Institution for Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers, Aeronautical Society of India, Indian Institute of Chemical Engineers including Polymer and Environmental Group, Indian Institute of Metals, Indian Institute of Industrial Engineers. These are not regular in engineering courses, so these guys who have completed their graduation from these institutes can also appear GATE. That is how. However, the candidates who possess the certification from any professional societies that is mentioned above, that those examinations conducted by the societies are approved by Ministry of Education, AICTE, UGC, UPSC as equivalent to BE, BTech. So these institutes give a certificate for the completed students who have graduated from them. Their certificate is equal to the BE, BTech or BR, B planning examinations. Okay. Candidates who have obtained or pursuing their qualifying degree from countries other than India, that means those guys who are not there in India, okay, they can also appear if condition is must be currently in third year or higher years of, or completed their bachelor's degree. Duration at least 3 years. They need to complete a degree of at least 3 years in engineering and technology, okay, or they might be appearing in the third year. Details of eligibility criteria are given in 4.1 table. This is the 4.1 table. Okay. If you are an engineering student, be BTech or B Pharma, this is the eligibility criteria. You can pause the video here and you can go through this eligibility criteria, okay? That is what I have said. Currently in third year or higher grade are all already completed can appear, okay? Expected the year of completion. That means if you are going to be relieved in 2022, you can also appear, okay? Go through this video. You can pause here and you can check, okay? If you are an MBBS degree holder, you can also appear GATE, okay? This is the criteria for that. Just go through this, or you can download the brochure since I have shown it in the beginning of the video, or I will be providing a direct link for the brochure. You can click on that and you can download it, and then you can read it. GATE 2021 papers. These are the papers that you can appear in GATE examination, okay? Aerospace engineering, agriculture engineering, architecture and planning, biomedical engineering. These are the paper codes, okay? Electronics and communication, electrical engineering, environmental science engineering, and other engineering, instrumentation, mathematics. You can solely appear for mathematics if you want to. Mechanical, mining engineering, metallurgy, physics, production and industrial engineering, statistics, engineering sciences, humanities, social, life sciences, okay? If you are appearing for engineering section, engineering sciences paper, this is how it will be divided, okay? Your paper contains code A and B to H. That means if you are appearing for an engineering science paper, that is different from your engineering papers. This is not an engineering science paper, okay? This will be, your engineering science paper will be completely different, okay? It will contain XE. This is your engineering sciences paper. Okay, if you are appearing for this paper, don't confuse with your engineering subjects like electronics and communication, mechanical, EEE, civil. These are different from engineering sciences, okay? Here you can see that if you are appearing for an engineering science paper, you need to, this is compulsory marks of 15 for engineering mathematics, okay? Then what are the other sections? You need to select 2 sections, okay? One is, you need to select 2 sections from these papers, okay? From B to H, you need to select 2 sections, and those 2 sections will contain, each section will contain 35 marks. So selecting those 2 and attending those 2, you will get 70 marks, okay? And for XH, what is your XH paper? You can see here, humanities and social sciences, recently added paper, right? Here what happens is, this is a compulsory paper, reasoning and comprehension, and it will contain 25 marks. And then you will have 15 marks mathematics or some other paper, and then you need to select 1 subject and you will be appearing for 60 marks. Similarly, chemistry. Okay, this is your Excel. What is life sciences? If you are appearing for a life sciences paper, you will be having chemistry as your compulsory subject, and then you will be having other papers for 60 marks. You need to select 2, okay, 60 marks. Then further, you can observe that if you want to write 2 papers, since I have mentioned earlier, the combination of 2 papers allowed to appear in GATE 2021. This is the first time they are introducing this kind of process, okay? Subject to availability of infrastructure and schedule. Okay, they have mentioned that they can cancel this if they can't conduct the exam in that process, okay? That means, for example, if you are an engineering student, that is electronics and communication engineering student, you can appear 2 papers, that is, one paper is your electronics and communication engineering, the other one is IN, instrumentation or physics, okay? See, you can see IN stands for instrumentation of engineering. Okay, these 2 papers you need to select that they appear on different dates, and you need to attend those 2 papers on those 2 dates. Okay, see, you can see here, candidates opting to appear in 2 subject papers must have primary choice of paper. Your primary choice of paper will be EC or ME for mechanical, CE for civil engineering, okay? Which has to be chosen from the allowed combination that is given in here, okay? 4.2 here, allowed combinations. These are the combinations. If you are an instrumentation student, you can select these. If you are a mechanical engineering student, you can select only this, okay? From this combination, you can select. GATE 2021 committee has the rights to remove the certain combinations. They can remove these combinations if they think these are not feasible. If they think they can't conduct, they have the right to remove, okay? If they removed, in such case, the fee paid towards the second paper will be refunded to the candidates. If you need to pay fees for both the papers. If you are appearing for 2 papers, you need to pay for both the papers. If they cancelled one paper, they will pay the fee, okay? That is your second paper. they will cancel the second paper. They won't cancel your first paper, but they will cancel your secondary paper and they will give your fees back. Okay, coming to the exam cities, you can go to the exam cities in the voucher. Okay, or you can see, just go have a quick look. If you belong to Bangalore zone, that is ISC Bangalore zone, these will be your cities. Bombay, this will be your cities. IT Delhi, this will be your cities. Okay, just pause the video and then you can go through that. Okay, you can pause the video and then go through it. Okay, and now issues normalized by November 2020. Okay, GATE International to continue only if travel and other infrastructure. That means if you are present in other countries. That is, this is GATE International. Okay, this will be organized by IIT Bombay. It will take care. See, Ethiopia, exam will be conducted in Ethiopia, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, UAE, Nepal and Singapore. If they need to conduct the examination in these countries, travel issues need to be normalized and other infrastructural issues normalized by November 2020. That means by November of this year, if issues got normalized from present COVID-19 pandemic situation, they will conduct, otherwise they will cancel the centers. Examination will be cancelled. Coming to the fees, okay? All the female candidates need to pay 750 per paper. If you are appearing 2 papers, you need to pay 1500. Okay, and SC, ST and physical PWD candidates, okay, they also need to pay 750. Okay, and then special category people need to pay the 750. If they are appearing for 2 papers, they need to pay 1500. All the other candidates, general candidates and OBC candidates need to pay 1500 per paper. That means 2 papers will cost them 3000. And the people belonging to foreign countries outside India, they need to pay $50 per paper. If they are in Ethiopia, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and then Nepal. If they are in Dubai and Singapore, they need to pay $100. Okay. And then GATE online processing system. Okay. Once the website begins, that means our website will be operational from 14th September. Then this link, you can click on this link and then you can apply. Okay, this is the application process. After this, let me take you to application filling process. Here I will be making another video on application filling process. Don't worry about that once the application begins. So now I want you to take to the subjects and then MSQ. What do you mean by multiple select questions? See, coming here, what are the pattern of questions? Okay, multiple choice questions. You know multiple choice questions, right? There will be a question and there will be options. Like for example, this is your multiple choice question. Which institute is organizing GATE 2021? If you know the answer, please write it in the comment section. Okay, GATE 2021 is being organized by IIT Bombay. Okay, here correct answer is B. Candidate will get full marks only if answer is selected. Otherwise, he will get a negative mark. Okay, so for multiple choice question, you will have negative marks. For MSQs and NEAT type of questions, there will be no negative marks. Okay, carrying 1 or 2 marks, it will carry either 1 mark or 2 marks. Okay. These questions are objective in nature and each will have a choice of 4 answers. Similar to multiple choice questions, it will have 4 options. See, which of the following is or are states in India? What are the states? Just comment the answer here. Maharashtra is a state, Gujarat is a state and Goa is a state, but Mumbai is a city in Maharashtra. So, excluding this, you need to select all the other 3 options, that is A, B, C, D. Sorry, A, B and D will be your answer. You need to select all the 3. If you selected all the 3, then you will get the marks, otherwise you won't get any marks. Candidate will get full marks if and only if, see the condition, if and only if this combination is selected. There are no partial marks. That means you might say Maharashtra is a state, so I need to get marks. No, there will be no partial marks. In this type of question, the candidate will not get any marks for choosing any other option. Here there will be no negative marks. Okay, there is no negative mark for wrong answer in MSQ. You can attempt this question. If it is wrong, there will be no negative marks. Okay, numerical answer type question. For these questions also you won't have any negative marks. Here example question is, if the wire is in The wire diameter of a compressive helical spring is increased by 2%. The change in spring stiffens in dash percentage. If you know the answer, please comment it. All the mechanical guys can comment it in the comment section. Okay. There is no negative marking. If you type a wrong answer, there will be no negative marking. Also, there is no partial credit. Okay. And then coming to the marks distribution, in all papers there will be a total of 65 questions carrying 100 marks. Okay, and the time 180 minutes. Okay. So types of questions. They in this year they have mentioned that there will be 4 category of questions. One is recalling type. Here what happens is you need to recall the formulas or the facts. See, these questions are based on facts, principles, formulas in the discipline of paper. Candidate is expected to be able to obtain answer either from his memory or from the subject or at most from online computation. Okay, see here, this is the example. During machining, maximum heat is produced. Okay, what is the answer for this? And comprehension. Here you need to read the question, you need to understand the question, and then you will be writing the answer. Just go through the example. Okay. Application oriented questions. In this, the candidate is expected to apply his or her knowledge. Here you need both the knowledge. Okay, comprehensive and then recall. First you need to comprehension is required for understanding the question, and then recall is required for recalling the necessary formula and then applying it. You need to apply the formula and then get the answer. Okay. Analysis and synthesis. In these questions, the candidate is presented with data, diagram, images that require analysis before a question can be answered. So here they just gave the categories, but the exam will be conducted previously also. Okay. In the previously exam is conducted in the same way, but here they have mentioned the categories. Okay. There is not a much change over there. Coming to the sections. Okay. General aptitude section will be present in all the papers. Okay. In all papers, 15 marks. And 5 questions will contain 1 mark and 5 questions will contain 2 marks. And for the papers of this code, GG, XE, XH and XL, I have shown you the codes, right? Just go through those codes and see. These papers would contain 25 questions carrying 1 mark each, 25 marks, and 30 questions carrying 2 marks each, 60 marks, consisting of MCQs. How much it became? 85. 85 plus 15 marks of general aptitude. Okay. Similarly for geology and geophysics paper also. Okay. Coming to engineering sciences, this is different from your engineering subjects like electronics and communication, mechanical engineering. Okay, don't confuse this with your engineering subjects. Here general aptitude will be for 15 marks, and then I have mentioned you there is a section A which will contain 15 marks. After that you will be containing section B to H. You will be selecting only 2 optional sections. From B to H there will be 7 sections. You can go back into the video, you can go backward and you can see, you can count B to H there will be 7 sections and you need to select only 2 sections, and each section will contain these many marks, like 22 questions carrying total of 35 marks, 9 questions carrying 1 mark, and then 13 questions will carry 2 mark questions. Altogether you will get 9 plus 26, 35 marks. Okay. Coming to humanities paper, general aptitude carrying a total of 15 marks, and then section B1 reasoning and comprehension. I have shown this already in the paper. Okay, this one also. Going down, you will have post examination related information, that is after the GATE examination 2021 candidates response will be available at course. Okay, and answer keys will be available. All these will be available later after completion of the examination. I will be making a video on that shown. Okay. This is how the examination marks will be calculated. This is the formula they will use to calculate your marks and normalization. Okay. If there are anything important, let me go through. Otherwise, see, you can go through these frequently answered questions. Many students will have doubt that I am currently studying in 3rd year of BA, BCom, BSc. Am I eligible for appearing in GATE 2020? Yes. Any graduate student currently in 3rd year or higher years of any government approved program, engineering or technology, they can appear. If you have any friends who are preparing or studying in these streams like degree streams, apart from engineering streams, they might think that GATE exam is for only for engineering students. No, let them know that they can also appear, they can appear. Okay. I'm currently studying 3rd year in BE, that is engineering, okay, Bachelor of Engineering, but through parallel entry in 2nd year, that is they came from diploma, finishing diploma. Am I eligible? Yes, you can also write the examination. And the question, is there any age limit to appear in GATE. There is no age limit to appear in GATE examination. Okay. Are there any restrictions on the number of times one can appear? Okay, this is the most frequently asked questions. You can see there is no limit in the number of attempts. One can appear for the GATE examination any number of times. Okay. If any of your friend or you have the doubt, just clarify this. Okay. Can I appear in GATE 2021 papers? Yes. The candidate expected to appear in papers up to 2. Okay, you can take 2 papers and you need to pay fees for both the papers. How do I apply? Online mode. Okay, you need to apply online mode. Can I use an email address to fill the multiple application forms? No, you can't fill multiple applications using one email. One email address can be used to submit only one application form. Okay. Do I need to fill 2 forms to appear in 2 papers? No. The 2 paper option may be selected based on the given set of combinations in a single form only. You can fill the form only once using one email, and 2 papers. If you want to appear for 2 papers, you need to fill it in that form only, and you need to pay a fee for the 2 papers in the same form only. Okay. Don't think that first I will fill the form and I will fill one subject and then I will fill the form again to fill the another subject. No, it won't help you. Okay. And there are some other questions which are of not that importance. If you want to know, you can download the brochure from the link I will be providing and you can go through it. Okay. Okay. That's it, guys. If you have any doubts or comments, you can ask me in the comment section.